So when you look at a software, the question is, what is the machine going to do, and what am I, the marketer, going to do? And so we just kind of have this very simplistic thing where it's like level 0 is where most of your software is today. It's all you, all human all the time. Level 1, the AI starts to do pieces of it. It's assisting you. It's not making decisions. It's not doing everything for you. Level 2 is kind of half and half. Level 3, mostly machine. You're just kind of like giving it some goals, overseeing it, maybe telling it yes, no, that was good, that was bad. But it basically does its own thing. Level 4 is you just tell it I want 500 leads in this industry in the next 3 months, and here's my budget, go do it. Level 1 and level 2 is actually what you're looking for. This is where most AI technology is today. It is mostly still you, but it can save you a lot of time and money just at level 1 and level 2. That is not a bad thing. Level 3, I could probably listen to an argument from a vendor that the level 3, they would probably lose the argument, but some vendors think they're there, they're probably not. And that's, again, not a bad thing. Level 4, if you talk to a vendor that says we're full autonomous ad management or fully autonomous this, they're either lying or misinformed about what their product is capable of. It does not exist. Because that means is the human has no oversight. There's no human in the loop in this. I just tell it what to do, and it's never going to be wrong. We're not there, and we don't even need to get there. I would argue we shouldn't get there as marketers. So key is, how is it going to reduce costs? How is it going to increase my revenue? So key takeaway, little bit of AI can go a very long way. Level 1, level 2 is fantastic if you have the right use case, the right technology. Spend a moment on my thesis of where this is all going, because I think this is critical for your business and your career path. In May, I wrote a blog post called The Future of Business is AI or Obsolete. Basic theory is every business in every industry is going to be AI native, meaning from the ground up, I look at your business and say, we can build a smarter version of that. And we're going to go do it. Insurance brokers, retailers, marketing, whatever it is. Just build a smarter version from the ground up with AI infused. AI emergent is I'm an existing company, and I believe AI is the future, and I'm going to start one by one infusing it into different elements of my company. I'm going to build a smarter business myself. The third is obsolete. Now, I'm not saying you're done overnight, but it is going to be literally impossible to create the same value as the companies that figure this stuff out. And I tell you right now, if you give me 5 really smart AI people, a couple of strategists, and domain experts who know their industry, there is no way we don't build a smarter version of that company. If budgets are limitless and whatever, you can build a smarter version of every single company. And again, everyone on this list is going to be impacted by that. The way I look at it is, if I look at any business model and say, okay, can we better personalize experiences? Can we create a better overall experience for people? Can we intelligently automate repetitive tasks? Where is the inefficiency in the business? Where humans are doing things they don't need to be doing. They can do more fulfilling things, creative things, strategic things, being empathetic, building relationships, like the things we're still uniquely capable of. And the last is enhancing creativity, innovation, and decision making. There is not a business that couldn't be made smarter with these 3 things. So that would be my kind of takeaway here is you can build a smarter version of your company. And the reason is, like, why is this happening now? There's 5 quick things I'm going to tell you. One is data. It is coming from everywhere. As marketers, we have data coming in from every single technology thing we're using. So the data increase is exponential, but what we're able to do with it is very limited. So because of the data, this is happening. The second is that need for convenience and personalization. The experiences I have with B2C brands, I want with B2B brands. Do not want to fight with your terrible chat bot when I'm used to having a really good conversational experience with this B2C brand. I'm a human. I buy from humans and brands. Doesn't matter if it's B2B software or some consumer experience. The other thing is we are all faced with this current economy that it does not appear to be turning anytime soon. We're asked to get the same output, same performance with less resources. Can't get new headcount, things like that. AI helps us achieve those outcomes with less resources. The fourth is the cost of this stuff is coming down dramatically. You can go get Runway ML, the one that generates videos, for 28 bucks a month. You can get Descript for 15 bucks a month, 19 bucks a month, whatever it is. You can access this stuff. DALL-E 2 is 15 bucks a month. So the cost of doing these things is becoming less and less, so it's democratizing access to it. And then the last is venture capital money is pouring into these companies. So this is venture deals in the US in 2021. Now it's dropped down in 22 because everything has dropped down in 22. You see $40 billion in the US alone into AI startups and venture funded companies, 1,100 deals. So the AI isn't going to replace the need to build great cultures, great businesses, great teams. But again, if you don't have AI, you're not going to be able to compete with the people that do.